Hi, my name is Maurice IV. I'm from San Diego, California, and I've been a notary for about 1.5 years now. Prior to discovering the loan signing system, I was playing professional football. It was only about 7 months out of the year. So once that was over, it was no more income for me. So this saved me, when I come home during the off season, this was another way of me making money when I wasn't getting it from sports. The first time I heard about the loan signing system course was from a mentor I met in San Diego. Shout out to Alex. She was telling me so much about it and how I helped her become so successful the way she is today. What made me do it is because I didn't know enough. I wasn't as confident as going to the signings, but once I took his course and he teach you literally the details step by step, and he goes over the most common documents you go see and the one that they shot we know about. So that helped so much. That what made me take the course, and I'm so grateful I took it because it elevated my game for sure. If someone was on the fence about joining the course, I would tell them I was the same way. But you gotta jump, you gotta take that jump. And it's cool because if you feel like the course doesn't help you, you have a 30-day refund. If you don't like it, he will send you your money back, but I promise you will not do that. The course is amazing. It's gonna teach you everything you need to know. It's gonna take your confidence from here to there. I highly recommend it. Mark, hey, let's go. Thank you, bro. Truly appreciate your time, your effort, and just all your love that you put into your course, man, to help us out and help us be the best we can be. Keep going, man. Keep learning, keep elevating, keep helping us. We thank you. Let's go.